Alright, put the lip down again. And open. Ah, good. I didn't do anything yet. I missed it. Did that hurt what I was doing? No? Okay, let me keep
Do
going.
you have it?
No, I didn't get it yet.
You just have blood?
Huh? Just a little bit of spit from your mouth.
Do you have
Where's
it
your
now?
tooth? Where'd it go? Where's it at?
Gone.
It's gone.
Can I see where it is?
Josh, this is your first tooth you lost.
Can I see? Now I gotta go look in here. Can I see?
See Josh's little tooth? We need a little Ziploc bag or envelope.
Can
No,
I
don't
hold-
touch it.
I wanna hold it.
No, I don't want you to
No,
hold it
that's
because I don't want
yucky.
to
That's
lose
Josh's tooth. Let me see. It's so
it. You want to put it
little.
in my hand? Be easier.
Yeah. It's his little front tooth from the bottom. Okay. Now what are we going to do with
Let me
it?
see. Open. Alright, man. Does it hurt or anything? No, but you'll taste that blood a little bit, but it doesn't hurt anything. You can swallow it.
No, pillow.
Big smile.
Pillow. Teeth.
Yeah.
It's still weird how that tooth is so
Yeah.
far behind it.